Okay, how you doing? I am about to show you about two apps that I use. Earlier, I was at Giant grocery store that's not too far from me. And I saw a couple of deals. I posted about one of them, but another one I'm going to share with you is the Crab Classic. This Crab Classic was $1 off. I am going to show you how to get that $1 off. I also have my Giant receipt. So the Crab Classic, let's see. It was $3.29 and I have $1 off on one of my apps. I'm going to make the seafood salad with the imitation crab meat from, it kind of models the seafood salad from Subway, but I'm going to do that. I also got the lettuce. This was $1 off, so this was $1.99. And on the Ibotta app, the Bright Farms, this is $2.99 on sale. And for each one, so this is baby spinach, you can get any greens you like, you can get $1 off each packet. So pretty much lunch today has items that was on sale, even the avocado, which is what I add to my seafood salad. So I will make sure I talk to you about all of those. So let me use, this is, hopefully you can see it because I can't see myself, my mother-in-law's phone. Oh, somebody was calling her, sorry whoever you were. And you would go to Giant. This is an Android. My husband has an iPhone and an Android, so I will also show on an iPhone as well. So the good thing about Ibotta, and it's on my page, so you can check it out and make sure if you add Ibotta and you use my special code, you'll get $20 once you submit your first receipt. So make sure you add the app to your phone, either Android or Apple, to get that $20, and ask me to help you submit it. I will definitely do that. So you can go across, it talks about items that are for you, kind of based upon what you buy it again, what's hot, best value, new offers, any items, dairy. So let me scroll over because I know under produce. So it shows you all of the coupons that are listed and you can tap on it. This particular one is the Bright Farms salad greens. You can buy it up to 2 times. That's $1 off. You have to make sure you have this little check. It's a plus there. You click on the check. And the other thing, I'll scroll all the way across to meat and seafood to show you I have it checked. The seafood salad, or the Crab Classic, that's 75% off. And then make sure it's checked. And then this, again, this is my mother-in-law's phone. So you make sure you click your list, double check to make sure they're there. And then you're going to look at the bottom. There's a home, then there's a redeem button. So for any beginners that's couponing, I will tell you that Walmart is the easiest because Walmart has a barcode at the bottom, and as long as you add in all the items prior to buying it, as soon as you finish with your receipt, you can scan it and it gives you immediately. The difference with other stores, once you hit the redeem, you need to find the store. See at the top, this is Walmart, but the receipt that I use is Giant. So, and then there are 2 types of Giant. So make sure you line it up with the correct Giant. So Giant there gives you the little icon. I will hit redeem, and then it says take a picture. So I am about to take a picture of it and you may have to take sections, so you hold your phone steady. Everyone knows how to use cameras with their phones. And you take from the bottom to the top. Sorry. My mother-in-law is popular. Her phone is going. So I submitted it, making sure all the sections are there, and it says make sure you have captured the entire receipt, and I know I did. I hit finish, and then it wants you to verify the items. Well, the one item on here that I want to get is the seafood salad. So I'm going to take this because I on that receipt, and I scan the barcode. So this is a barcode of the seafood or the crab classic, and that is the only one that I will have for her. So I can't use this item because I actually got credit for these, or my husband did on his receipt yesterday. But the fact that we eat salads and greens so much in the house, I will go back and get my mother-in-law some money. So if you can see, not sure if you can see there, it says add the one purchase. So you would add the one purchase. If you needed to go back and add more, you could verify more items. There's not any more in this particular app. And then I just collect that 75 cents. So the great thing, it says sending receipt, and then you wait till it gets to 100%. And it says it'll add it within 24 hours. It usually does it much quicker. You hit done. And if you can see there, this is my mother-in-law. She has 75 cents pending. You can see the transaction. She just started with Ibotta, like many of you have just started. Her lifetime earnings are $24.90. Her current earnings are $24.90. And you can withdraw the cash from Ibotta. She is so busy. As soon as you get to $20. Remember, if you use my code, they give a $20, so you could easily get to $20 quickly. So I hope that helps you. That is one app. The other one is Checkout 51. Checkout 51 I'm going to show you on my phone now. So I have an Android as well, and you see it's a green 51. I posted this on my Facebook page. There's also a bonus if you add my code to it. So this app I have 4761 in. So I'll pull to my profile. So total earnings for this app, I have earned $172.36. I can cash out $47.61 now. So this one, kind of the same way. You look at the bottom, you have to make sure your offers are in there. The offer that I am getting, which is so wonderful, I had one item left. It is the Chobani Gimmies, the multi-pack. And I talked about this one on a live before. So I add 5, even though I only will claim 1. So I only purchased 2 items. Actually, I can get 2. I thought I was going to have to split this because it gives you 5 at a time, and I didn't know it already had added this item back into my availability. So I can get 2. I only have 2 to claim because my boys are very picky. They only like strawberry smoothies. So you add the offer, and then on my list I make sure it's there. So this app always has a really cool thing here. Any grocery trip for a chance of $500. Why not add that one? Add that offer. Here's the thing. You never know if you're going to win unless you try. I'm not a lottery winner, but that's what people in the lottery, you can never win the lottery unless you play the lottery. So this is my version of playing a lottery, and I don't have to use any money. So I added that offer. I'm going to redeem 2. So you click it out, click it here, Chobani. I can get up to 5 times, and I'm also going to put in an entry to add myself to the $500 grocery chance. So I hit continue, and then I'm going to scan the same receipt that I just used for my mother-in-law's app, but it's the same receipt. I didn't claim anything in relation, so I added them, and I'm finished. So I will hit the check of finish. It's uploading. The great thing is, it claimed all 5 of them. Well, here's the thing. I only got 2 on the receipt. So while it says $5 I claimed, I'm only going to get $2 because the receipt shows I got 2 of them. So that's no problem. They'll only credit the $2. And I can review my account. It talks about pending. And that is how you use 2 of the apps that I use to make money. So if you're interested, you want me to show you, I am more than willing to help you along the way. Hope you enjoyed. Now I'm about to make some imitation crab meat seafood salad. All right. See you all soon.